see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause the first time that we kissed, feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this, but at some point we mess up, right, sugar? And when we fight, don't.
Good morning, guys! Ang aga kami ginising ni Jan. Today is March 25, and today, ang alis natin papuntang Adelaide. Yung mga bata andito na. Si Kuya.
You cannot see me.
Ayan sila. Okay. Ready na siya. Ask that, Hano, this is the girl's clothes. Now, Wala, hindi raw kasya. Ready na kami, guys. Si Jan kumuha lang, bumili lang siya ng tubig na dadalhin namin. Hinihintay na lang namin sila, Kylie. And siya, tatalian ko. Medyo malamig. May dala rin akong jacket. Medyo malamig. Kasi maaga pa, guys. Anong oras? What time is it? 7 o'clock. Okay. Come on, baba. Talian ko si Holly. Check lang ni dyan yung mga saksakan and doors. Chinek ko na, pero gusto ko check niya pa rin. Dito na sila, Joe. Ayan na yung car nila. Si Kylie magda-drive kasi si Joe wala pang tulog. Parang ako lang din. Wala pa akong tulog. Kunti lang yung tulog ko, guys. Kasi tinapos ko yung sa Adelaide. And nag-edit din ako, guys. Kaya may vlog tayo ngayon. Uploading siya, 88%.
That's what I said.
Yung walkie-talkie daw. Walkie-talkie. Ready? Loaded tayo, guys. Nagawa ng para ni Jan. Una, ayaw ni Jan dalhin yung mga parcels kasi ang dami nun, guys. Tapos malalaki. Nakita nyo naman sa likod, diba, kahapon na sobrang puno na. So, sabi niya, nainis siya. Why are you bringing it now? So, parang nainis siya na, sabi, because we're going to Allendale. Sabi ko sa kanya, so, ayaw niya. Ayun, sanang dalhin. Buti na lang, nakakuha pa ng space doon, guys. Sobrang punong-puno kami ngayon. Ayun, yung walkie-talkie.
I'll change the setting on this so when you take off it doesn't.
What?
So it's nice and like it was before.
This is annoying me. I can't put that.
Baba, don't put it here, please. I have too much here.
What you hiding from me? What you holding back? I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you. Is why you always wanna be around her, be around her. Now I've come to terms over you, and although it hurts.
Update, guys. Dito na kayo sa Kingston. Nakatulog ako. 9:03 na. What time did we left, Han? 20 past 7 ako umalis. So, ngayon 9:03 na. So, nakatulog ako kahit konti. And, upload siya. Na-upload din siya sa wakas. So, mamaya na lang. Kain tayo sa Kingston.
I tried to put it in the car, mate.
No, you told me to put it inside.
You serious?
Yeah.
You're right.
Dito na kami, guys.
Oh,
Sa...
buddy, what do you expect? Where do you
sa,
put it? In the
OTR.
car, mate. Why would you put it in the fridge?
Di ba nalala nyo na sabi ko si Jan bumili ng tubig? Bumili siya ng tubig tapos sabi ni Jan ilagay sa car pero ilagay ni Saksa ref, so naiwan. So sige na, guys, bilhin tayo ng pagkain. So bilhin na natin ang pagkain ng ating mga chikitings. Ang aga pa guys, oh. Ayan na siya, kumuha siya ng tubig, oh. Kaya sila ng drink. Lipton. Okay. Alright. How about Holly? No, you're good, thank you. Pardon? What? One Easter egg each. Thank you. Nilamig siya, oh. What's that?
I would have that, but not that bread.
How is it? Is that good?
What kind of
Is it good? Nanginginig yung kamay ko.
That's nice.
Wala. There's no croissant, babe. Why? You like it?
Oh, cool.
Nagustuhan ni John.
Probably because I'm hungry.
Kuya Subway, always. Nagsisi siya. Tinanong ko kasi sa kanya kung gusto niyang half or yung foot long. Sabi niya half.
Ate small, not having anything else until tonight.
Crab na ulit tayo, guys. Kasi ng aking... That's not crab, Bob. I told you that... That's right. Ayan yung lobster, oh. Ayan. So, ngayon, ginagawa ko ay... Gagawa ko ng thumbnail para sa ating vlog, guys. Kasi upload, ano na siya, na-upload na siya. Wala pa tayong thumbnail kasi nga nakatulog tayo. And may na rin yung net. Okay, gawa lang tayo. 9:44 na. Hugasan niya raw yung car. Kasi nung umalis kami, medyo umuulan.
Turn it off and just save.
Yung Bluetooth hindi nag-work sa phone niya. So, walang music siya.
Resets.
I-reset niya. So, hugasan niya. Yeah, it's hot now, Zach. Ayan, gising na si Zach. Nakatulog sila. Gising na. Hugasan niya yung car niya. Malinis pa naman. Puti-puti pa nga eh. Kita niyo naman sa Kingston, diba? Ewan ko dito. Ganyan yan si Jen eh. Maalaga sa car. Miningi. Yan na, pinaliguan niya na tayo ng blue, guys. So, blong sabon. Azul. Azul ba ang blue? Init na, hubarin ko na. Si Sak, nagubad na siya ng jacket. Hubarin ko na rin yung jacket ko. Mainit na. Mainit dito sa, dito sa park. Papuntang Allendale. Sa amin, malamig. Kasi siguro maaga din kami umalis. Hubarin lang natin yung jacket. Ayan, alright. Gusto niya raw mag-lay down. Oh, nag-lay down nga siya dyan. Ha?
I feel so uncomfortable.
I feel so uncomfortable. Are you excited for your bed in the caravan, Zaki? Si Kuya tulog pa rin.
I'm on the ground.
Come on, get up. Get up.
I gotta get up.
Okay na. Na-reset niya na yung Bluetooth dito, guys. Nakakonect na yung phone. Kanina niya pa yung ginagawa habang nagdadrive. Hindi tayo makonect-connect.
What?
I think so. Yeah, there. Heat
Wow,
waves.
my volume.
Wala namang volume. Okay, mamaya na, guys. Okay na, guys. May sound na. May pa-music na tayo.
What you hiding from me? What you holding back? I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face.
Adelaide na tayo, guys. Pupunta na tayo sa Benson Caravan. Dave only.
Dave Benson.
Dave Benson. Tagal na kasi. When was the last time we went there? A long time. December pa. Nung nagpili kami ng interior. Hindi nyo pa yun napanood, guys. Ilalas ko na lang yung guys, ha. Yun yung time na makikita nyo rin yung babae. Yung binastos kami ba sa sa motor shop. Ayan.
Yeah,
So,
somewhere.
who's excited to see the caravan?
Hey! Hot on this there because 3 hours.
Okay guys, malapit na tayo. Dito na tayo guys sa Dave Benson Caravans.
Yeah, he's up there.
Where's Joe? Okay, makikita na natin yung caravan guys. After 8 months. My God, ang tagal din natin hinintay siya. Nauna na sila Kylie sa loob. Excited na siya. Wala pa yung mag-a-assist sa amin. Di pa namin alam kung nasa yung caravan namin. Yan yung caravan natin guys. So, ayan, lalapitan na ni Jen yung caravan niya. Howard. Merong nakalagay na pangalan dyan guys. Dinidemo lang niya kung paano gamitin ang mga bagay-bagay pag tinaw na yung caravan. Medyo matagal-tagal pa tong demonstration guys. Tinuturuan sila kung ano ang gagawin nila.
You're going to use your jockey wheel to come down, get it level, then bring them down. Up and pull it out and down. There you go. Looking tab there. Lift that up. Pull this out. And this is what. This is what.
Tell you when it's full?
Inside it will, yes.
Okay.
Now what you can do.
Toilet. Storage yan guys.
You
Wow.
can actually move it around. Okay.
Travel.
How many weeks or how long did that last?
Okay. I've got my own van. Me and the wife. We go to Caravan.
Deposit yan guys.
2 days and 3 nights.
in-empty
So that's
daw.
just 2 of us.
Para siyang luggage.
And just be careful where you put this, because if that hole is there, put this there. You don't want it going down there, because I wouldn't want to put my arm down there. Okay, so you've got the hole, pick it up, push down this. This is a breather. So everything comes out of here. Spillage or anything like that. Put it in a slow angle, and now listen to this. Hear that click?
Yep.
That's it. And I'm not being funny here, guys, because it's new. Lock it off, because they can get stolen.
Wow. Really?
Look, people.
Mga isang oras na yata kami dito guys. Umikot na kami. Dito na kami sa kabilang side.
Power going in, you can actually pull this one out. I feed it through. You lift it up. You take it off. Down. What I do, and it's safe, because you're going to West Beach tonight, aren't you?
Yeah.
It's up there.
I don't have money. No, I don't have coins. Hindi pa tapos yung demo. Gutom na sila. No, we're gonna go get something. What do you want? Come on, come on. Come on, what do you want? Chips? Naboboard na sila. Wala naman kasi silang gagawin dito. Buti na lang pwede mag-use ng card. What do you want, boys? Gusto mo honey, soy chicken? Okay. Wala tayong coins. Card ang gagamitin natin. Yeah. Okay. Which one you want?
One at a time.
Alright. Just wait. Oh. Alright. What do you want? Yeah.
You do it again?
Again. Okay, kuya. Chicken. Yeah, it's working now.
You wanted that?
Oh.
No, it is.
Okay. Magtutubli pa si Zach. Let Holly get it. Holly, don't put your food on the floor. Okay.
Grab it.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Grab it, Holly.
Thank you, Zach.
Give you one more than just say.
Ayun na. Meron kayong tigi-isang honey. Honey soy chicken. Masarap siya, guys. Si Zach ang nakadiscover nitong masarap siya. Where? School. Kanina pa kami dito, hindi pa na namin nakikita ni Jan yung loob ng caravan namin kasi nagde-demo na yung lalaki doon sa caravan nila Kylie kasi pareho lang naman pero iba lang yung interior sa amin.
I'll probably still got half a bottle in
Sila.
you know.
Yeah.
The more you use it,
Owning niya, guys. Ina-explain niya.
Three things to do. Just back it off. And you've got an outlet and you've got an inlet. Squeeze together, put your finger up underneath. Separate that. That's the two things. I mean, this way, there's three things.
Are you watching the moon?
Yeah. I will watch my video.
That's right. Third thing. This is where your awning rod, remember I said?
Yeah.
To play? In between here and here, there's a little lever, and I'm going to put my rod on it. Right there. Can you see that? Yeah. Pull that down, that's the third thing. Up there, what I'll do is I'll push it back up.
Oh, that's it, right.
Down, that's the third thing. Right, 2, 3. Now we're ready to pull it out.
Oh, you only need one.
Yeah, it's only on one side, that's what I said. 2, 3. Now, when you pull this down, if you slip, fall, it doesn't matter. It's not going to do anything. It's on the way back up, and not let go of this, because it'll continue going up and smashing the side of the car. Watch yourself, please. All the way down till the apron comes out, or skirt, or whatever you call it. Now, I'm going to show you how to do it with one person. So come to this side now, because we've undone this, remember? It should be a one-finger operation. There we go, top of this black button. Up. There we go. Over the top of that black button.
Yeah.
Let's go to the other end. Again, one finger, I keep mine right. Over there.
Yeah.
Now then you look at this side, I can see all the holes, okay? When you get this side. Now all you've got to do, this is just a handle, it's almost cosmetic. This is the one you need to look at. You've got to hold, can you see that? You've got to hold that. Because that, if you don't, this is going to try and grab every hole. So you hold it.
Yeah.
Now,
So it goes up.
my hand is up here, not up there or down here. I'm sliding up. I'm not lifting up. I'm sliding out, and I'm just going to pick a hole randomly, halfway. Okay? I will walk underneath. Now, why I'm walking underneath is because the holes are on that side. The light isn't the best. There's all the holes. Now, this time I'm going to go up to a height that I think is high enough, and obviously I'll walk back then and even it up. If you work together, you don't have to do it like that. You can do it in one. It's only because you get a lot of twists.
Bumili sila ng drink. Creaming soda again.
And then we go to the other end.
Antok na ako, guys. Andito pa rin kami. Ayan siya. Pagod na rin yan. Anong oras na ba? Mag-aalas 4 na. And meron kaming ibang bibilhin dito. Ayan. Ayan.
Go, hold. That's it.
Demonstration. Siya naman yung nag-try.
Chuck that one on the ground if you want. Pull until the skirt
Ayan yung teacher nila. Oh. Kanina pa kami dito, guys. Antok na nga ako. Yung mga bata, buti na lang okay lang sila. Kanina pa kami, guys, dito. Pero hindi pa namin nakikita yung loob ng aming caravan kasi nakalock siya. Nag-focus doon kasi nga dinemo niya kung anong mga kailangan dapat malaman. Rob, this one! Rob! This one!
No, it's red, this one.
Well, that's actually I can change it. I'll change that one.
No, yeah, you got
What number?
You got another 2 hours to go.
69. Ang number ng kinamin 69.
Right, this is our.
This is our caravan. Na.
Rob just didn't want to force it. There you go.
Easy.
You want to break
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Is it rod-proof?
the light?
Oh.
We'll pull it out. It's exactly the
Wow.
same.
Yeah, different color.
Oh, is it? Yours is sky blue pink.
Not pink.
All right,
Smells-
you go in there and show
You
me
pull
what
your
you're going to
step out,
and
Chona.
turn everything on.
Smell.
Pull your step out and
what's
see
that?
how.
Let me pull.
Oh, God, remember.
I don't
Oh,
want.
sorry, yeah, sorry. Spring loaded.
Yeah.
Remember.
Wait, kids. Let mommy and daddy first.
It's not Halloween too.
I know.
You can obviously
Oh, yun, kuya. So, ito yung sa amin. Oh. Wow.
Okay, I'll let them know.
Okay, later na lang guys ha. Wait lang. 240 power, okay. Ito yung mga remotes, okay.
So you got your
Drawers, okay.
all in there.
Thank you. It's full? Oh, well, music. Chine-check lang guys kung nag-work lahat. Ayun na yung caravan nila, Kylie. Minu-move na. No, music na.
Need a bunch
Okay.
of keys.
Because that's for the caravan.
I can
Oh,
hide under the bed.
who?
Kuya.
Kuya?
There's
Ayan na
Dad!
si Johnny
There's Dad!
Boy. Yes.
We have to get it. I want some tea.
Hello, good luck. Not yet. We can't.
Come later, mate.
Yeah, later. Just right. Ayan na yung caravan, guys. And dito na si John. Tingnan nyo yung likod ng caravan namin. Oh. Loaded. Ah, okay. What are you looking for, hon? Hinuhook lang nila yung yan ba?
Straight.
Yep. We have to put some washers if we have to get it straight.
That's right.
Okay, so let's get that out of the box.
Hindi pa tapos, ikabit. Hi, Baba! Yan, minub na nila.
Go, George. Go, George. Team George. Go, George. But I'm just not a fanatic.
He's in, babe.
Our car's so
Oh my God, look at my cars! Nag-ano, bumaba siyang konti.
Up or down still?
Oh, hindi daw level. So, tatanggalin ulit.
We're going back again?
Atras abante. They gonna lower. I don't know which one. All good, babe? Yeah. Okay. Ayan yung mga kadena niya. Oh. Just good luck. Pero kapag drive na si Jan kasi before, nung nagtitinda ako ng chinelas, guys, hiniram ni Jan yung caravan ng friend niya para dumayo ako magtinda sa ibang festival. Habang busy doon si Johnny Boy, bayaran ko na yung mga kinuha pa namin yung like yung barbecuehan, tapos yung iba pa. I'm done. Nabayaran na natin, guys. Yung barbecue. Oops! Hindi ko pa pala napakita ko ba sa inyo yung aking ano? Yan na yung ating mirror, guys, oh. Pinupull out lang ni John, oh. Extender na siya. Extender. Meron siya sa ano? Meron din siyang pinipindot dyan. Ah, ayan. Sinat na ni John. Yan. Yan yung ano niya, oh. Pinalagay yan ni John.
That's flashing green.
Pina-install. Basta may pina-install dyan si John. Yan mo siya, oh. Oh, as in, sobrang saya ng aking asawa. Finally. 8 months, right, babe? 8 months. Tagal namin siyang hinintay. Dapat nga 1 year yan, guys. Buti nga napaaga eh. What's that? Hot and stubby holder? Hindi ka naman umiinom eh.
Let's look at the stubby holder.
Stubby holder, yeah, but we don't use that one.
Alright.
So, ito yung kila Kylie. Ayan, yung sa kanila. And ayun yung sa amin. Si Joe, lumabas na si Joey. Kami na yung next. Thank you, see ya! Yeah, we will, thanks! Ayan na, guys. Labas na tayo. Yung caravan natin.
Say, mate.
See ya! Thank you.
I've got no...
Oh, there's Kylie there. Si Jan mauna. Ayan si Jo.
For a swim.
Okay, si Jan daw mauna. Good luck! Bye! Oh my God, dami pa namang car, guys. Daming cars. Good luck, babe. Walang katapusan. Ayun, walang katapusan yung cars, guys. Dito pa rin tayo. No, not yet. Daming cars. Ang tagal. Ayan. Okay. Little by little. Nakalabas na tayo guys sa Dave Benson Caravans. And si John nakasunod na rin sa atin pero hindi nyo makikita. Tan muna tayo ng Magallanes guys or Taft. Taft Avenue. Diba? Parang siyang Taft Avenue ng Magallanes. Hindi ko pala nabanggit sa inyo guys, mag-stay pala tayong 2 nights sa West Beach Caravan Park. Tapos sa Sunday ang uwi natin. So ngayong Friday, pinaalam yung mga bata. Kasi nga, pick up ng caravan din. Stay tayo ng 2 nights.
Road call.
Yeah. Dito tayo dyan guys. Diyan tayo pupunta.
What you hiding from me? What you holding back? I think I saw you with another. Please tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do. Want you next to me.